Ask me who I will be.
Ask me who I will be.
Ask me who I'll be in 10 years.
Ask me who I will be.
Ask me who I will be in 10 years.
Ask me who I will be in 10 years.
Do you think it's possible to know where a group of 6th grade students will be in 10 years? Unfortunately, in San Francisco, we have a pretty good idea of what the future will look like for the thousands of students who come from households where neither parent is a college graduate. That's because only 15% of the students in the San Francisco Unified School District have a family history of college going. And of these approximately 45,000 students, only 6% will go on to get a college degree. Why? Many of these students lack access to the support systems and tools necessary to navigate the windy road towards a college degree. First Graduate addresses this problem by helping students become the first in their families to graduate.
We created First Graduate to improve the lives of low-income kids in San Francisco. We firmly believe that helping the first child of a family to graduate from college will result in huge benefits for the family as a whole, empowering that family economically by spawning a college-going tradition. This is still the best, most effective way we know how to bring a family from working class to middle class within a generation.
We provide all our students with free academic and career coaching, high school and college counseling, mentoring, internships, career exploration, and college and financial aid coaching. Each student will receive over 300 hours of personalized attention during each of the 10 years they spend with First Graduate, starting the summer after 6th grade and continuing all the way through their college graduation.
We want to know that you have a space here where everybody else here wants to go to college. They're just like you. There are people just like you. It's okay to want to do well in school and want to go to college. So part of it is building that community, building that belief amongst the entire group.
Of the 370 students we currently work with, about 75% live at or below the poverty line. 85% are immigrants or the children of immigrants, and 91% qualify for free or reduced cost lunches. Without some form of assistance, the story of where these 6th grade students would be in 10 years is crystal clear. But thanks to First Graduate and donors like you, 100% of our high school seniors have graduated and enrolled in a 2 or 4-year college. We're asking for your support today because 370 students is a great start, but it isn't enough. In order to change the system in a real way, we need to recruit more students so that one day every child in San Francisco can proudly say,
I will be.
I'll be the first one in my family to graduate from college.
I will be. I'm going to be the first one to graduate from college in my family.
I will be.
I will be.
I will